FDMT is showing a modest amount of strength within a longer term bearish trend, up as you can see, roughly 38%. As things stand right now, higher prices are expected to remain in place up till Tuesday, the 5th of August. And then after that, we may get a slight pullback, which will, and then after that, we might have a pivot to the upside, and that strength is especially expected to remain in place strongly at least towards Thursday, the 28th of August. In terms of projections, we have down projections 5.78, upper projections 6.58, 7.08. Let's see whether we have further upper projections previously. Let's look over here. Yeah, we have 7.6.8, 6.88, 7.83, 8.42. Okay, we'll come back and we'll try and find more of them. Okay, so um, the underlying trend is sloping. Sorry, the 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower, underscoring the underlying trend, which is a bearish one. So the price pressure momentum indicators for the 10 and 21-day moving averages should be in very strong trend mode, very very strong. However, the derivatives are not that robustly strong, but we may find something else on the 4-hour chart. Let's see. We may find that those moving averages are maybe amplified, a lot more amplified on this chart. So here we have strength is expected to remain in place all through this session, into the post-market session, into the pre-market session of Monday the 4th. Then after that, we might see a distributive contraction going all the way towards Tuesday the 12th of August. Buying pressure, as I indicated, let's have a look and confirm. Okay, before we do that, let's see whether we can find projections here. We have 5.24, it's a downward projection. Let's see. We've seen $8 or thereabouts. Let's see whether we can see anything higher than that here on this 4-hour chart. They have 704, 704, nothing higher. Okay, back to the price pressure momentum. You can see how amplified it is here. 42.51, very very strong trend mode, and the secondary derivatives are robustly in whole numbers. So buying pressure is very much in effect. This is not the market for short sellers. They are there, most certainly. They can see it's fluctuating. Yeah, at some point you saw it was 37%. The gain. So they're here. They're, but not obviously they don't have the upper hand. But they're making money. They're here scalping, and when it spikes, they scalp. Yeah, so they're here. Um, let's see now. Let's have a look at the weekly chart. We might see further upper projections, a lot more ambitious projections. We should see some here. Previously, let's see. This is as of September of last year. Yeah, September of last year. We have projections all the way towards 14.27. Okay, beginning with 8.67, 14.27, 33.64, 41.08, 45.68. It's getting to a year since these were printed, but they are still relevant. They're still relevant. Yeah, they're still very much relevant. So we have a readout about the company. Yeah, the stock is trending after announcing encouraging 60-week clinical trial results for its flagship gene therapy candidate 4D-150, targeting wet age-related macular degeneration. The data suggests that 4D-150 may significantly reduce patients' treatment burden by extending the duration between injections while maintaining or even improving sustained visual acuity outcomes compared to standard anti-VEGF therapies. This milestone has sparked renewed excitement in biotech and investor communities, with many traders highlighting the company's robust cash reserves, which could help fund ongoing trials and commercialization without immediate dilution risk. Some community members are speculating that the strong data might attract big pharma interests, potentially setting the stage for a lucrative buyout or partnership deal, especially as larger players look to expand their ophthalmology pipelines. At the same time, active traders are analyzing the recent surge in trading volume, watching for technical signals that could indicate pullback opportunities or new entry points. Others remain cautious, pointing out the inherent volatility of early stage biotech stocks and the potential for profit taking sell offs after such a sharp move. Overall, sentiment is largely bullish, with optimism about 4D-150's commercial potential and its differentiated approach in a competitive space. The community is also keeping an eye on upcoming milestones, including possible regulatory updates and additional trial data, which could serve as catalysts for further upside or risks should results underwhelm. Yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. Let's see how liquid this market is. Okay, yeah, not sufficiently liquid or such. So yeah, just have a look and see what you make of FDMT, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.